wonder what could be happening here. This is the junction of Processional Way and Kenyatta Avenue. I don't know what could be happening here. Let's just find out.
Bazu, piga pia hii bike yake hiyo nini? Baba wa mtu kazi pia.
Wamesema huyu jamaa awekwe kwa hii gari, wa pikipiki wengine wawili waende na yeye na polisi. Na hii yake kama polisi yenda aende na wamesema mtu mmoja atakaa hapa apeleke hii. Wewe na hii pikipiki sasa kama pikipiki pia iende sasa. Kuna mtu mwingine anataka tupigie. Sikazi wanakuwa na madiana mlitoa hapa. Huyu mnataka kufanya nini?
The guy will be taken to hospital. The traffic policemen on site. Prayer is that he gets to the hospital. It's just sad, but since there are traffic policemen on site, hopefully they are organizing for him to be taken to hospital. The guy has been knocked down by a private vehicle right at the junction of Processional Way and Kenyatta Avenue. As you can see, it's sad, but I just hope the policemen that you have seen on site will work to see it that the guy gets to hospital and be treated. So I just came across that incident as I was walking down Processional Way heading to the city center of Nairobi. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. I've done that video, but it's sad, but since there are traffic policemen on site, they are working on how to get an ambulance to get that guy to hospital. Otherwise, I hope he gets well soon. Thank you for watching. I've done several videos along this street. You might visit and watch the Nairobi skyline. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe. This is Africa Sightwalk and Travels. Thank you.